Here are 5 stocks that could make you rich in this year 2025. If your salary lands in your bank account and disappears before on the 14th, pause this video now. While your bank gives you peanuts, the stock market has been booming. All share index have done about 141,000 basic points this year, which is about 14% gain year to date. Today I will show you these 5 Nigerian stocks that are not hype, but they are being backed by real profit and still over room to run. So stay with me. This is the kind of information you want to be seeing every time. If you love sense and financial growth, don't forget to subscribe now, and I will remind you shortly. Okay. Hello, my name is Coach David Estiba. I'm your money teacher. I teach everyday Nigerian salary earners, low income earners how to multiply their money with sense. All right. So let's get into it. The number one stock you should hold like your life depends on it is Dangote Cement. Current price right now is about 509 naira per share. This is a Nigerian cement giant, and cement is needed for every house, road, constructions, buildings. Investors saw about 35% return this year alone. If you put 1 million naira at the start of 2025, your 1 million naira will now be worth 1.3 million naira. This is dependable wealth building, essential product, and steady dividends paying. The number 2 on our list is Guaranty Trust Bank. Current price right now is about 99.50. This is 99 naira 50 kobo per share as of August 1st, 2025. GTB began this year at 57 up to 74.6% year to date. A top dividend payer with solid digital growth and consistent profits. This is bank stocks that give you capital growth plus passive income. So if you are thinking of long term, GTB Bank is what you should consider. The number 3 stocks that can make you very wealthy this year is MTN Nigeria. Current price right now is selling for 472 naira per share as of July 31st, 2025. Most capitalized company in Nigeria. Market cap reached about 9.91 trillion in July 2025. People can't live without airtime, data, mobile money. This company is in your pocket, and it's also a recession proof. User base rising daily, dividend paying. They are paying dividend consistently. So if mobile usage keep growing, MTN will keep paying and also grow and pay you dividends. If you are considering your retirement, you should hold MTN. The number 4 on our list is Nigeria Breweries, trading around 35 naira per share recently right now, and their market cap is about 1 trillion naira. Even in tough times, Nigeria love to celebrate. So it's a win-win for every investors, right? And they also have a strong resilience, consistent dividend paying, high demand in FMCG, a small entry stock with long-term potential. So if you are thinking of long-term, you should consider these stocks. The number 5 on our list right now is Presco. I love this stock very well. In our community, when I recommended these stocks, it was trading around 400 naira this year around February. But right now, Presco is selling for over 1,500 naira per shares. So Presco is a Nigeria major palm oil and agro processor, exporting and growing, paying dividends. Agriculture is an essential in Nigeria, and wide-reaching Presco is quietly solid. Agriculture is essential and wide-reaching. Presco is a quiet, solid company. I remember I recommended it this year at 400 naira, but right now it's selling for 1,500 naira, right? So all share index has gained over 40% year to date. Despite that surge, the stock above still offer rooms to grow because of strong fundamentals and dividend yields. If you are thinking of long term, please consider all these stocks, right? So don't forget to hit the notification button and also the subscription button so that anytime I drop amazing videos like this, you'll be the first to see. So if this video makes sense, don't forget to subscribe, right? So what are the strategies you need to put in even as a beginner? Start small. Even if it is just 10,000 that you have, start small, build consistently, and do that every month. Buy in tranches. What do I mean by that? Split your fund in batches. Buy now and be buying in small. Hold for long term. Think of 3 to 5 years minimum. Keep cash ready because you can take advantage of the dip when the price is crashing and buy more. That's how smart investors invest, not all these overhyped stocks that people are buying all around, right? So your salary alone can't set you free. Your decision to invest more and consistently we do it. So stock market is not gambling, all right? So when you buy stocks, you are only part of company that produce, contribute, and also earn. So right now, if you are ready to start building wealth, not just surviving, or from one salary to another. Okay, subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this, you will be the first to experience it. Okay, share this video with your friends and family. Comment on the comment section of how these videos has really helped you. All right, so if you want a step-by-step class on how to choose and buy these stocks, right, get our stock market masterclass course. Link is in the description and also in the comment section, and I will help you to get started. You will also be added to our community where we discuss about stocks to buy for a long time. All right. So this video is for educational purpose, please, not a financial advice. Always do your own research and consult, a licensed financial before investing. Do your due diligence before you invest your money. I'm Coach David Epsiba, your money teacher. See you in the next one where we break down wealth building with Niger sense and clarity. And until the next time, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.